Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, access Tools folder by tapping on it and choose Recorder app. After that, tap on Agree and Continue, choose Allow in the pop-up, and tap on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon over here on the left, and if you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right icon. Then name it however you wish to and click on the check icon at the top right corner, and now as you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it by holding it, tapping on delete icon at the bottom right corner and choosing delete all recordings in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!